Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to AutoFit row size in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet and see these rows. First of all, selection, select drag and select all, select multiple, hold control, select multiple and hold shift. Okay, then point your mouse, double click, then AutoFit. And again step 2, select, right click, column row number, resize row and select fit to data. Click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.